equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into the intricate process of changing the motor on your Dyson SV28 vacuum cleaner. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, unplug your vacuum cleaner to ensure safety. Begin by removing the dust canister. Simply press the release button and lift it off. Next, locate the screws on the main body of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the screws, placing them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the casing. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open slightly if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the casing off, you'll see the motor assembly. Now, take a moment to clean the internal components. Use your soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This is crucial for maintaining the efficiency of your vacuum. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. Next, disconnect the motor from the wiring harness. Carefully pull the connectors apart, ensuring you don't damage any wires. Once disconnected, you can remove the motor by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. Keep these screws safe as you'll need them for the new motor. Now, it's time to install the new motor. Position it in place and secure it with the screws you just removed. Reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring a snug fit. If you're unsure about the connections, refer to the manual or consult a professional. Remember, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation if you need assistance. After securing the motor, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Carefully align the casing and press it back into place. Reinsert the screws you previously removed, ensuring everything is tightly secured. Finally, reattach the dust canister. Plug in your vacuum and give it a test run to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We are here to help you every step of the way, ensuring your vacuum is back to its best in no time. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.